Hi guys, I'm Wadacy2 from uklocksport.co.uk, and this is a video of single pin picking a STA-LOK, STA sort of dash LOK, made in England. It's a 5-pinner, lovely vintage lock, like a safety lockout I think. Does have a working key with a little bit of string on it, so I'll keep that on there once I pop it on display. That's the bitting on the key. It does open clockwise and counterclockwise, so clockwise, pop it open, counterclockwise, open. Draw the key out a tad, pop it to one side. Tension wrench is going to be this, which is a 5-lever sort of mortise pick wire. Pick and Paul sent me this ages ago to have an experiment with, and it works wonders on certain locks with smaller keyways. I'm going to use top of the keyway, but how I'm going to do this is pop it in there and get it in. Like so. I have to adjust the tension every now and again. Start at the back, work to the front. It does try ping out. It drops over a little bit. Drops over nicely again. It's just gently touching over the pins now, and that's just got it. Lovely, lovely vintage padlock that I can now put on display now it's picked. So if you are newbies to lock sport guys, why not come visit us at www.uklocksport.co.uk. Thanks for watching, happy picking, and please keep it legal.